big day today. I'm very excited. Today is the release day of Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange adalah film kedua di Marvel Cinematic Universe Phase 3. Yang pertama kemarin tuh Captain America Civil War. So, every Marvel movie release day, it's a big day for me. It means I gotta sleep well last night, which I did. And then I gotta have big breakfast, ready to start the day. First, let's go to work.
Good morning, Bella. Good morning.
Currently on break at work. Nice food. I haven't had anything for breakfast, so let's dig in. Got out of work. It is 1:15 a.m. currently, and after this I got something very important to do. Emang sih biasa jam segini tuh suka rame jalanan karena jam-jam orang makan siang, jadi orang yang lagi kerja tuh break. Dan jalan ini College Boulevard selalu macet, and it's really irritating. Actually this morning was really cold, dingin banget. Gue sampai yang aduh nggak bawa jaket, mampus gue. Tapi sekarang nih, kayaknya gue bakal nyesel bawa jaket, sumpah. Kebakar nih gue nih. Welcome to California.
Just one kind. They come in different levels according to U.S. rating. Level 2 has at least 2 of those that point that it might not even have a steering wheel. Work, dedication, and hours of practice for a drumline Quicken Loans. Proud supporter of...
Show you half of it. What do you think? I think it looks...
The lights remind me of Audi lights.
And it starts...
So okay, sebenarnya sih gue isi bensin every 2 weeks. But gue kehabisan bensin karena on Monday I drove everybody to San Diego. Remember that for Halloween? Makanya gue isi hari dikit aja. Gue isi bensin mahal coy. And my aunt just called. She said, get us lunch. So I'm going back to Chick-fil-A and getting more food. Woo! Wah, wah. Okay, so I hope I have time because in half an hour I have to be at the scariest place on earth. You'll see. Jason!
What's up?
What up?
Lit. What's up,
Real
boy?
quick, 2 Chick-fil-A sandwich, 1 large fry. Alright, thanks man.
See ya.
See ya.
Hey.
Hey. I love Jason. He's the coolest dude ever. Okay, let's do this. We arrive at the scariest place on earth.
Thank you so much for coming in earlier.
Yeah, I mean, I was like, I had nothing else to do, so.
Oh, good.
I survived. Okay, so what happened was, jadi gigi gue ditambal. Gusi gue yang ada sama bawah, bagian sini tuh disuntik biar kebal. Jadi gue sekarang kalau gue tonjok sekencang mungkin pun nggak bakal kerasa. Kata dokternya tadi juga katanya paling 3 jam habis itu hilang. Mudah-mudahan ya. Okay, let's go home. Ray in the house.
Hey.
My boy Ray.
Yo.
He's Indo.
Hey.
Can you say something in Indo?
Cuma bisa bilang sedikit in Indo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this dude was born here. He's cool like
Oh
that.
my gosh.
20 minutes.
Can't wait.
20 minutes! Oh my god, I almost forgot something. Where are you? Marvel shirt.
You gotta have a Marvel shirt.
I gotta have a Marvel shirt. Eddie Ray.
Yeah, let's go.
This dude, Doctor Strange.
Been waiting for this for a while.
I know. Almost forgot the tickets. Oh, that would be so bad.
Alright, at home, let me in.
Dang, we're late.
Oh, no.
We're so late.
Can't miss those trailers, you know?
Monkey. Where's Wes?
I lost him.
When you was here?
Yeah, he was here. He was in line to get food.
Air Monkeys, everyone.
Hi.
Doctor Strange, look at this. Look at all these fans. Oh, I love it. Ready to go. Where's Wes? Oh, I see him. Wes, I see him there. Let's go, man.
Do you have them all together?
Oh, yeah.
You have 18 or 12, it's gonna be the first one to write.
Yeah. What? Did you see it?
Not yet. We're gonna see it right now.
What, Doctor Strange?
Actually, what theater are you in?
12.
What theater are we in? 2?
We're in 2.
Yeah, we
Doctor Strange? Oh,
we
3D?
got the bigger screen than you guys.
What? Why? Is it 3D?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Well, we're late, so.
All right, take it
Bye,
easy,
Josh.
guys.
Yee. Okay, gonna finish this vlog real quick. You can see I can talk again now. It's great. But I just saw Doctor Strange. Awesome movie, superhero movie. Saran ko cuma satu. As soon as the movie is finished, there are 2 after credit scene. So make sure to stay until the very end, until you see the logo Marvel Studios. So I'm gonna leave you at that. Benedict Cumberbatch, well done on Doctor Strange. I can't wait to see Infinity War. But until then, take care now. Bye then.